Warm welcome to everyone tuning for Lanka First online news program. Headline: UPA victory will accelerate the ongoing rapid development drive which the country is witnessing. The president. No choice made to put off the presidential election. The public is moving away from the TNA, Secretary of Defense. Funds have been allocated to provide relief to flood affectees. Minister Mahinda Amaravira. Missing Air Asia flight likely at the bottom of the sea. And in detail. Speaking at the massive UPA presidential election rally in November yesterday, President Mahinda Rajapaksa stated that the government has been fulfilling all requirements of the state committee since 2005, aiming to create better living conditions and brighter future for them. The housing problem of the state community will be solved making use of the POP mechanism without delay, he said. President Rajapaksa emphasized that the government's target is to provide every state family with a separate housing facilities. The Commissioner of Elections, Mahinda Deshapriya, stated that the decision to hold the presidential election on February 8 would not be changed as a result of the severe climate condition experienced in the country. Issuing a communique, Dr. Mahinda Deshapriya noted that no such demand has been made in this respect by a presidential candidate. Illustrative of a candidate or legal advisor representing an applicant. The election secretary said that people who are unable to cast their postal votes will be given a chance to do so tomorrow. The Election Commissioner stressed that the date for the issuance of identity cards for the presidential election has additionally been reached out till January 3rd. The people in the Northeast are systematically moved away from the Tamil National Alliance, said the Secretary to the Minister of Defense and Urban Development, Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. The soldiers in the respective provinces have been working closely hand in hand with the people, and reports through them indicate such. The Secretary of Defense, attending live television discussion, further stated that certain parliamentary representing the Tamil National Alliance were appointed by the founder and leader of the Liberation Tigers of Tamil Nadu, Vellapudi Prabhakaran. Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa further stressed that these parliamentarians still celebrate Prabhakaran and still attempt to showcase him as a hero. Tamil National Alliance has always asked for a separate state and has always had separatist and factionalist propaganda. The Secretary of Defense concluded that he at the Tamil National Alliance supported the rehabilitation of the North, East, and the development programs should have been more extensive and soon implemented. Funds have been allocated to provide relief to the people affected by the floods, the Minister of Disaster Management stated. Speaking to Lanka Post National News Agency, Minister of Disaster Management, Mahinda Amaravira, stressed that the funds will be utilized to provide affected people with food rations and other basic utilities. Because 1.1 million people are affected by the prevalent atmospheric conditions, he said. Ms. Mahinda Amaravira communicated trust that the upcoming presidential election would not need to be put off in spite of social associations from specific quarters. He requested for all the joining disaster relief programs for affectees, putting political contrast aside. The expansion plan to provide immediate relief has been implemented on the instructions of President Mahinda Rajapaksa, the minister emphasized. Indonesia's top rescue official says authorities believe the missing air. And in foreign news, Indonesia's top rescue official says authorities believe the missing Air Asia jet is likely at the bottom of the sea. Based on radar data from the plane's last contact, the coordinate that was given to us and the evaluation from the calculation point of the flight bag is at sea. Our early conjecture is that the plane is in the bottom of the sea. Bambang Sulistyo, head of Indonesia's National Search and Rescue Agency, told reporters Monday. But searchers still do not know where the plane is, he said, and may need help from other countries from underwater search. The search for Air Asia flight QZ 851 resumed on Monday, a day after the commercial jet disappeared on Indonesian airspace with 162 people aboard. Ships, planes, and helicopters are looking for the missing aircraft, Indonesian authorities said. It is unclear if weather played a role in the aircraft disappearance, but rescuers say it could be a factor that influences how quickly they find the plane. Thank you.